If you're new to the DJI Osmo Action and Action 3, we're going to turn the camera on. We're going to allow it to connect to the application DJI Mimo. As you can see, there's the connect. And we're going to live stream to YouTube and show you how simple it is. Sometimes this will automatically get to the ask to join, or you just click on the connect. As you search for the camera, there is the join. You simply click on it and this will start to open up. You're going to have to rotate your phone as it goes into a landscape mode. But down here, you notice that here is where you get your live stream. You're going to swipe over to live stream. It opens up to the default of Facebook the last time I used mine. And we're going to go to YouTube. I click on YouTube and I want to now hit Start Live Stream, located down below over here. I hit the live stream. It says please wait and going to open up. The camera preparing to live stream setting, connects to the router. Live stream, describe your live stream. Video is not made for kids, shared to the public, and the resolution allowed is 1080p UHD versus on Facebook we're only allowed 720p. The adaptive control is either 3 megs or 6 megs today, so we're going to leave it on the adaptive and let it choose. And there is my handle. If I want to switch counts, there it is. All I got to do now is hit Start Live Stream. As I hit Start Live Stream, it should set on over to Live Stream. If I did not hit it correctly, I'll make sure I tap it. Live stream name is required. We have a name in describe my stream as test. Now I should have wrote TEST. I wrote text. Done. So I am going to now start my live stream. It changes the window. Live stream in progress. If any reason you change out of this screen, it's going to end your stream. As we view over to the screen, we are 50 seconds in and my stream is started according to DJI. But on the screen over here, it is not started at all. So we're not sure what is happening with DJI. It should stream if asked. Preview unavailable during live stream. Everything is taken care of correctly, and we are not streaming to YouTube. There is one person watching on a scheduled stream that has started over a minute ago. We're going to now end the stream by hitting end stream. It says cancel, but if we go here, we want to switch out of the screen, we swipe up. As we head back into the device, you'll notice DJI device disconnected. Even though our camera says we are streaming. If your DJI Mimo disconnects, that means you are not streaming. So we hit on the confirm and we are shutting down. We hit the connect, we hit the end stream, and we do the confirm. And now we are officially shut down. So there is something that we are trying to learn and figure out, and maybe DJI could come forward and say to us what we were doing wrong. So this is how we would stream to YouTube via DJI. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to one and all.